Now, good morning, students. Last date, we have studied the classification of the data, that was geographical classification, chronological classification, qualitative classification, quantitative classification we have learned. Now it is very important how the statistical series are classified. That is called classification of statistical series. That is, now types of statistical series are the individual series and the frequency series. Simply, individual series mean the data so collected is so less or very small data where the all informations are not repeating itself, वो अपने आप को बार बार दोहराते नहीं हैं. So there is no frequency, that is called without frequency, that is called individual series. What is called individual series. Now the frequency series means if the data is little bit large or so large and that data being collected within the certain limit of the numbers, but data is large. Suppose in your class the 100 students are there and they obtained the marks in the economics, that is of the 50 marks, 50 मार्क के क्वेश्चन पेपर में they have obtained the marks and the whole students are 100. So marks limit is up to 50 only. Number of students are 100 and they got the different marks. So the marks are getting having their frequencies. That is called repeating itself. That is called frequency series. Of the frequency series, we can classify discrete series, continuous series. That is called frequency array. So array means the arrangement of the data in the some order. Now, if that is individual series or discrete series, discrete series and continuous series mean the data are presented in the groups in the certain some class, that is called continuous series. Now again understand the individual series. If we have collected the some informations not repeating itself, not having the frequencies, उसकी कोई frequency नहीं है, वो बार बार दोहराती नहीं अपने आप को, that data so collected should be presented in the serial order, either in the serial order 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, likewise that is arranged, or that is arranged in the scientifically ascending or descending order. Ascending order mean from bottom to top, descending mean from top to bottom. Says 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, that is called bottom to top, and top to bottom 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, that is called descending order. Ascending and descending order. Ascending means from smallest to the longest or biggest, and descending mean from biggest to smallest, but is called individuals. Such as now you see, I am just going to erase it, see it, how it can be presented. In your book, the example is given, the marks obtained by the 10 students, that is 12, 1946, 1946, 36, 42, 27, 36, 42, 27, 35, 40, 41. These are the some marks obtained by the students of the 50 marks in the economics subject. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, छूट गया है, 12, 19, 46, 36, 42, 27, 37 is left. 37. These are the tennis plates. Either you present that serial order, and that serial order is in the same order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it. 12, 19, 46, 36, 42, 27, 37, 35, 40, 41. This is called serial order. Or it can be presented in the simple array method. Simple array means, see, ascending or descending order. First ascending order. Ascending order. First you write 12, then 19, then 27, then 35, 36, 37, 40, 41, 42, 46. This is called ascending order. Now reverse it is called descending order. Descending order. Okay, that is called. From 46, you reverse it. 46, 42, 41, 40, 37, 36, 35, 27, 19, 12. This is called descending order. This is the order which we uses usually. The individual series. Under the individual series, we have the two ways of classification, that is simple order or serial order, and the second is the simple array of data, that is ascending and descending order. Now discrete series. What is discrete series? Discrete series is that series which represents discrete variables showing finite or exact values. Discrete series means simply, so whatever the variables are there, that variables having their frequencies, that is the exact value of the items or variables at a different item of series. That is discrete series. How to? Again listen, discrete series. Discrete series is that series which represent discrete variables showing finite or exact values of different items of the series. जो सीरीज दी हुई है उसमें वो उसकी वेरिएबल्स दी रहेंगी, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसीज दी रहेंगी. तो कैसे करते हैं? If the items are in the limited but little bit large, so in that case what you have to do, आपको करना क्या है? Mean if that item is repeating itself, उतने लिमिट में है लेकिन वो रिपीट करते रहते हैं, तो उसके लिए आपको एक टेबल फॉर्म बनाने पड़ते हैं. You have to make one table, and that table is classified into the columns which consist 3 columns. How do 3 columns are prepared? See it by taking one example, then I will explain it. One example is there in your book. 20 families were surveyed to find out how many children each family had. The data obtained from the survey is as under. That is 0, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3, 4, 2, 0, 342, again 2, 114, 1223, 1, 2, 2, 3. Now see, 20 families were surveyed. Then how many children they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now first of all, see, the maximum 0 and maximum 4. Means one family having the no child and the rest of the family is the maximum having the 4, and they are between the 2 and 3 and 1. Now how to present it in the table form? See it. First of all, make a column, 3 columns. Maximum 4, minimum 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That we will take. Now we will make the tally bar. What is tally bar? Tally bar is, the bar means single line is drawn to count. That was in the earlier age, 25,000 ago, 25,000 years ago, that was evolved by the African people to count something, and they were using the certain some bones. बोन थे, उनको रखते थे और उसी बेस पर काउंट करते थे, तो एक बार के रूप में आते थे. जैसे मान लीजिए बोन्स है, तो इन बोन्स को उठा करके उन्होंने काउंटिंग के लिए रखा है, ऐसे करके वो बार के रूप में है. अब ये बार देखिए, 0, nil, nothing is there, no, 1. तो यहां पर कैसे करेंगे? 0 कितनी जगह पर है? 2 जगह पर. तो 0 यहां पर आ जाएगा 2. 1 देखिए, 0, 2, 1, 2 टाइम्स 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 टाइम्स. Draw 4 bars in order to make it separate to for easy counting. If the 5th line is there, you just write on diagonal line or that above. That bars mean above the bars you draw a diagonal line. That is called 5. 1, 2, 5. Now 2 count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 5 and then 6. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 bars. 4, 1, 2, 3. 3. Now total it. 2, 5, 7, 6, 13, 4, 17, 3, 20. That is called discrete series. The items are variables and its frequencies. This is the variables, items, and that is repeating itself. So it's called frequency. That is called discrete series. Got it? Now continuous series. What is continuous series? Continuous series is that series which represents continuous variables. It represents the continuous variables showing range of values of different items in the particular class or in the series. यानी कि if there is large number of large data is there, the how it will be presented, how it will be shown, how it will appear. But obvious that is in the particular range. So that should be classified into the groups. That is called classes, and that in that class, in that group, how many items are, how many figures are there, how many frequencies are there, we will see it. That is called continuous series. So it should be divided into different classes. Now see it. Continuous series. Again listen, continuous series. A continuous series is that series which represents the continuous variables showing range of values of different items of the series. That is called continuous series. It is continuous. If the number of items are so large, the data is so large, that data is having a range, उतने से उतने के बीच में है. Suppose 100, 0 to 100, it's the range. The items are repeating itself. So in order to make the group, that should be divided into certain classes. That group of class is made. That is called continuous series. Range of items within which a particular set of items are observations lie is called class. Class क्या कहते हैं? एक range होता है, एक set item होता है, range of items within which a particular set of data or items are kept. That is called class. Now see how to make the class. कैसे क्लास बनाते हैं, क्लास साइज क्या होगी, कैसे बनाई जाएगी. तो हियर वन एग्जाम्पल इज देयर. सिंपल क्लास बन सकती है, 0 से 10 बन सकती है, 10 से 20, 0 से 5, 5 से 10. नाउ हियर सी हाउ टू मेक द क्लास. द सर्टेन आइटम्स आर देयर. एग्जाम्पल 3, फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग ऑब्जर्वेशंस prepare a frequency distribution of marks obtained by 40 students. 40 students have got the certain marks, some marks in the first year class. There is information regarding the 40 students, how much marks they have obtained, and that I am writing on the board the marks as obtained by the 40 students. Now see, the marks are there. That is 12, 19, 46, 36, 27, 37, 40, 15, 6, 30, 26, 20, 28, 20, 11, 45, 20, 40, 45, 38, 42, 37, 44, 30, 32, 34, 18, 35, 32, 12, 12, 8, 12, 12, 19, 19, 27, 42, 42, 22, 25, 30, 5, 9 and 10. These are the some items. That is marks obtained by the 40 students. The 40. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 1 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 38 39 40 40 splits of it. Now if you arrange in the some order, arrangement in order ascending 5 6 9 10 11 12 12 12 three times, 5 one time, 6 9 10 11 one time. These are 12 1 2 3. Now next is 15, then 18 19 20 20 20 one time, two time, three time, 20, and then 22 25 26 19 two times, 18 one time, 22 25 26 27 two times, 28 30 30 30 30 then 32 34 35 32 two times, 34 one time, 35 36 37 30 37 38 40 two times, 42 42 42 three times, 44 45 46. Now all items we have taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. One thing is missing. Somewhere one item is missing. Forty-five two times. 46. Now it becomes very easy to count. Marks, tally bar, before it, see the lowest range. Lowest is 5, highest is 46. This is the range. The difference between highest and lowest, 46 minus 41. Lowest 5. Highest 46. So 5 to 46 we have to make. Then it will be prepared or grouped in the 9 class. 9 classes. How it will be prepared? See, marks obtained, tally bar and frequencies. The lowest is 5. We are making here the class with interval of 5 to 10. Upper limit, the first group is 10, lowest is 5. Next 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45 and 45 to 50. Now see, within 5 to 10, 1, 2, 3. 3 items. 10 to 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items. 15 to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 4 items. 20 to 25, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items. 25 to 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items. 30 to 35, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 5, 6 and 3. This is counted. Now total is 3, 5, 8, 4, 12, 4, 16, 5, 21, 5, 26, 5, 31, 6, 37, 3, 40. This is the continuous series, the class intervals and their frequencies. Now next we will study the presentation of the types of frequencies distribution series. It is enough for today. Have a good day. Thank you.